Okay, this is a 2020 GLE 350 Mercedes-Benz. These are the this is the front caliper doing a brake pad job. It's pretty straightforward, or it should be. You release the parking brake from inside, just a little switch. You come out here and you run out the two 15 mil bolts holding in the caliper, and the caliper should come off, leaving the pads in place with the rotor, because there's little spring clips that hold it in. But the issue I was having is the caliper, even without the pins in, will not let go. I've been reefing on it, and I figured it out on the other side what the issue was. I'll show it to you in just a second. So these are the front brake pads on the driver's side. You can see this was the side that was pressing up against the caliper. These are the two caliper pistons. These are definitely worn down. Now what's happening on the other side brake pad is the shim on the back. These are Mercedes-Benz OE pads, had actually delaminated and come off the back of the pad, and it's stuck to the caliper. So we're going to separate that now, and hopefully it comes out in one piece, unlike this one that's split in two pieces. Okay, so we're back on the passenger side caliper. I'm going to go ahead and remove it now after showing you what the issue is with these pads. I ran one of the caliper bolts back in, just very loosely threaded, just to hold the caliper in case when I separate it, it doesn't fall off and put too much tension on the brake line. So, long flathead screwdriver, I'm going to wedge it in between the caliper and the shim of the pad, not up against the rotor. You can see the shim of the pad right here. A decent sized hammer, I'm going to give it a few taps and hopefully it'll split like the last one. And it looks like it's split. I can see it coming apart there. Let's see if I can get this one out now. Okay, so took the 15 mil bolt back out. This one's still a little attached, but I think I can wiggle it out now. And there it is. You can see here all this dried up, maybe it was grease or some kind of adhesive, was just catching the back of the caliper. It was much worse than the other one. I'll go ahead and clean this off with some brake parts cleaner and my wire wheel, being careful not to nick the boot of the caliper piston. Clean that bad boy off, reinsert your pads, and put everything back together.